Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Today we will talk about JKS. Trading a little bit high at pre-market and ended attracted a lot of attention. So let's try to understand, is it still going to continue the current downwards trend, or are we really observing real rebounds? Well, for that we need to look at parameters other than just candle disposition. So first of all, what we will need to pay attention on is actually three moving averages, moving average 20, 50 and 200 here being green, blue and red lines. You can see the gap between current price and moving average 200, and this position is quite high, meaning that there is increased push up developing here, similar to the situation that was forming by December 22, for example, or by March of 2023. So, but still, possibility is that it little bit go down. For that, we need to descale actually, and if we do so, we see that there was no real support level could be observed before. So what we will need to rely on actually is at the short-term dynamics, and short-term dynamics is behavior of moving average 20. While it will be going as a straight line down, we can actually observe descending, and once we will see it's turning up, and the first touch from the price action towards it, this will be the moment where we need to start buying. It still might be causing the price action, let's do it with yellow, to be lower levels, something like this, going down, and actually then having a final rebounds. If we a little bit draw it like this, we'll be able to do it. So it might be still going down and then showing final rebound. So technically it might look like this. So this will be the price action, slow rebounds touching moving average 20, going down, and then real action. So if we look here, that's what we might expect. And as I said, because there is no historically previously formed support level, it's very difficult to understand when exactly it will happen. But once this pattern will be taking place, a few days after, it will be very interesting to slowly start entering here. And another good indicator for this point to come will be actually finishing formation of negative wave at MACD, because current stochastic RSI is quite low. It's bouncing down with decreasing its amplitude. Here you can see it, which is a very positive indication. Usually it's kind of preparation for big push, so might be one small decline that's exactly coinciding with the situation of touching moving average 20 and then going down for real rebounds. And on MACD we must observe it as finishing of the line and being prepared to cross the zero level. So once the crossing is taking place, we should have some serious rebounds here. So as I said, this would be the momentum then. So it's going lower from rebounds at stochastic RSI, going to pierce with MACD and touching the moving average 20. So a few days after that would be a very strong point to buy. Although might also do this at the opening today, so we might have a very strong push up, but this will be false rebounds, false reverse of the trend. It will still a little bit go down, and then we'll have a final one. So this pattern should be observed, the classical formation here. Once it's there in this area, it would be nice to buy. We will try to follow up it later to understand real numbers, but now we can only speak of the pattern to expect. With this is all for JKS. Good luck and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisor.